All right, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Tolerance, Education, Art Series 59. Thank you, Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Yeah, sweet. Best art critic in the studio. Yes. All right. We have a rather unique frame, which reminds me of like old school furniture. I don't know, 1950s or thereabouts. Anyway, I'm going to just point out a few things. So we've got Virgil Ware, 13-year-old, shot to death by two white 16-year-olds the afternoon of September 15, 1963, in Birmingham, Alabama. We've got allegorical sea monsters, 3 of them. And this one here, this one has writing on it. Belechi, exclamation. Trump, in capital uppercase letters. Birther, in uppercase letters. Race, might be a little difficult to make this out, but there's an H-A-T-E. In mixed upper and lowercase letters. Birther, race hate. Trump has never apologized for his years of national leadership of the Birther race hate campaign against the now former President Obama, the Obama family, and against American blacks and blacks worldwide. All right, there you have it. And the mirror will be good exhibit installations. People will see themselves in the mirror, and they can reflect on the current state of racism in America with Trump and millions of supporters behind him, with this, again, unapologetic, unrepentant race hate, which just goes on and on and on. The things he says, to say nothing or everything of things that he says that are totally off the wall. In an article in the Guardian UK American edition one day last week, they reported on Trump having said that Democrats are trying to get rid of cows and windows in buildings. It's totally off the grids. Sounds like dementia, Alzheimer's, which doesn't surprise me because when he was in the White House, he claimed his own father was, not just once, he claimed this 3 separate times. He claimed his father was born in Germany. It's fully documented his father was born in New York City. Thank you, Chi. Appreciate your feedback. All right, there you have it.